In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Public relationships are important to us, really important to us. Some of the people do understand the importance of it, while another, some of the people do not understand the importance of it. But I am convinced that this thing is really important. And it actually, if your goals are slightly big, then it is absolutely important. But even if you want to live, if you want to live and survive in a country like that of ours, I think again the public relationships are somewhat important. We must try to learn, we must try to know the knack of it. We must try to understand, we must try to comprehend, we must try to adopt the art of it. It is an art. It enhances our confidence level a lot. It gives us somewhat inner strength. We can learn something, one thing or the other, from each and every person we are meeting, we are interacting with. We can learn certain things from the people. Even if we decide to learn one thing from each of our contacts, I think that we can learn a lot of things. But definitely there are certain people, there are some of the people from whom we can not only learn one thing, rather we can learn many things. If at all they don't give us other favors, no problem at all. Even if they don't do favors to us other than this one, I think no problem. We should not mind. We should not mind at all. But we should try, we should be adamant, we should be committed, we should be very firm on it that I do have to learn one thing or the more things from each and every contact of mine. That is splendid. It will equip us with multiple qualities, with the multiple merits. And some of the people might be willing to do us the favors as and when it is needed, not necessarily each one of us. Likewise, we too should be ready to cooperate with other people. We too should be ready to extend our cooperation to the people. That is something really good. It enhances our self esteem level. That is why it is necessary. Now, many of the people, rather, most of the people, if at all one experience of theirs does not remain pleasant with someone else, they try to totally cut off the relationship. They don't want to interact with that particular person anymore, any longer. That is bad. Then, keeping the feelings that I shall seek revenge from this person, again, it is very bad. If one person did not come up to your expectation, did not come up to my expectation, does not matter. Actually, we did not understand them well, could not understand them well. That is why it happened. Otherwise, had we understood them well, had we understood them well, we would have expected rightly. Plus, I think that protecting ourselves from the dangers lying on this path, it is my own responsibility, your own responsibility. We cannot blame the other people for this. We cannot blame the other people for this at all. Even if one experience of ours with someone else was not so pleasant, there is no need to terminate the relationship. Rather, there is every need to correct it. There is every need to improve it. There is every need to understand them better. There is every need to understand better what to expect from them and what not to expect from them. This is just an experience which is there, which did arrive to make us even more learned person, even more capable, even more strong, even more resilient person. No need to mind at all. No need to feel bad out of this at all. Be very practical. Resolve to do better. Resolve to manage the people better. Resolve to manage that particular person better. Resolve to learn even better from that particular person, from the other people as well. That is the right approach. That is the right approach. We may get something better out of this particular person in the future, or and we can get an introduction with certain other people who might be very beneficial and useful for us, who might prove themselves as a good contact of ours. That is why I don't plead the termination of the relationship unless there is something very severe has happened. If something trivial has happened, something trivial took place, which was not so pleasant, not so palatable, I think we should try to ignore it, or we should try to understand them better. There might be even bigger dangers lying ahead of that, and this might be even a tip of the iceberg. This might be even a tip of the iceberg. We need to understand them better, and by understanding them better, we can have a better understanding of the other people as well. We can understand better what to expect from the other people and what not to expect from the other people. What sort of dangers they are lying on the field on the way to the good public relationship. As simple as this one. Not complicated, no complication in it at all. No complication in it at all. There might be certain pleasant experiences, might be certain pleasant happenings, and might be certain other unpleasant happenings. We do have to adjust. We do have to adjust. We do have to make the adjustments. Likewise, there are certain bad experiences in the life, but we don't decide to quit the life. We cannot afford to quit the life by our own hand. Likewise, if at all the certain experiences with the people are not so pleasant, I think that we should strive and we should keep struggling to make the better relationships with the people. It is as simple as this one. Thank you, Jazakallah.